Hi everyone. In the film Sahas, you saw that how the two brilliant kids showed outstanding courage to overcome a difficult situation. They did not get scared. In fact, they both bravely faced the thieves. So in similar manner, in our Indian history, we had courageous and brave warriors and renowned personalities like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Maharana Pratap, Rani Lakshmi Bai, etc. Today I would like to tell you an inspiring story of none other than great Maharana Pratap. Climbed up on his horse Chetak and kept the water underground with his sword, he beheaded his enemies and had a youth full of commendable achievements. You talk about the courage without mentioning Maharana Pratap, it is simply impossible. The news of war in Haldi Ghati was known to the whole world, and the hero of the war was Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap was born on 9th May 1540 in a place called Kumbhalgarh in Rajasthan. His father's name was Maharana Uday Singh II and mother's name was Rani Jaywanta Bai. Maharana Pratap was the eldest amongst his 25 brothers. That is why he was appointed as a successor of Mewar. He was the 54th king of the Sisodiya Rajputs. The great Rajput of Mewar, Maharana Pratap, was known for his bravery and chivalry and was a role model for many during his time. A one-of-a-kind Rajput king who loved staying in the jungles. But he never bowed his head before the Mughal dynasty. He sacrificed everything for the love of his country, religion and freedom. Maharana Pratap was well trained to use arms and weapons at a very early age. Because his father wanted him to be a very competent warrior just like him. As a child, Pratap had demonstrated exemplary level of courage which won the hearts of many. And gradually, time passed by. Days turned into months and similarly months turned into years. Over the years, Pratap had mastered the skill of using arms and weapons. The spear of Maharana Pratap weighed 81 kilograms. In addition to this, his chest shield weighed 72 kilos. His spear, chest shield, armor and two swords weighed a total of 208 kilograms. Maharana Pratap the Great weighed 110 kgs and his height was 7 feet and 5 inches. It was indeed astonishing to know that Maharana Pratap fought in the battlefields carrying such humongous weight. His horse named Chetak was very agile and energetic, and the horse used to always find his master. In fact, Chetak was the one who chose Maharana Pratap as his master. It is said that Chetak and Maharana Pratap shared a very special and a close bond. In reality, if you see, even Maharana Pratap was very fond of his horse Chetak. He was not only honest and energetic, but also fearless and powerful too. Maharana Pratap commenced his journey on the mountains for the Haldi Ghati war on his Chetak without a single soldier. The king was being followed by 2 Mughal soldiers. But Chetak demonstrated outstanding courage by crossing the mountain creek in order to save his master, which the 2 Mughal soldiers were unable to cross. The marvelous jump made by Chetak was etched in the Indian history. This jump is considered remarkable even in world history. When Maharana Pratap was throned as a king and his father's successor, his brother Jagmal Singh joined hands with Mughal dynasty to teach Maharana Pratap a lesson. The Mughal king Akbar was so impressed by the information and help offered by Jagmal that he was gifted the Jagir of the city named Jahazpur. When the royal Rajputs left Chittor, the Mughal dynasty invaded Chittor as a part of the strategic plan, but they were unsuccessful in conquering the kingdom of Mewar. King Akbar had sent many messengers to Maharana Pratap in order to join hands for a mutually beneficial partnership. But nothing worked in Akbar's favor. In 1573, King Akbar had sent 6 messengers to Maharana Pratap. But Maharana Pratap turned all the 6 messengers down. The last attempt amongst these was led by Akbar's brother-in-law King Man Singh. When all attempts to sign mutually agreed contract on peace failed, then King Akbar decided to declare war with his powerful and huge Mughal troop on Maharana Pratap. This war declared by King Akbar in Haldi Ghati, which took place in 1576, consisted of around 80,000 soldiers who was possessed huge amount of arms and weapons. In comparison, the Rajput army had lesser number of soldiers to fight the war. Maharana Pratap had only around 20,000 soldiers. But this did not dampen Maharana Pratap's spirit. In fact, the king of Mewar went ahead and attacked King Akbar and his huge troop in the battlefield of Gogunda in Rajasthan with very small number of soldiers. In spite of having less arms and weapons, in the battlefield the brave Rajputs of Mewar fought the war in Haldi Ghati with valor and determination. Maharana Pratap and his small but courageous army defeated the huge army of King Akbar. This war lasted for a duration of 4 hours. Though the army of Akbar was more powerful and huge, they were defeated by the Rajputs. The army of the Mewar Rajputs kept fighting till the end. Though Maharana Pratap was injured during this war, he did not give up in front of Akbar. It is indeed remarkable to know how a smaller army could successfully defeat the bigger and more powerful army. We salute the great leader whom even the Mughals feared and is an epitome of courage for many even today. Thank you.